Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn a great lesson. Let's begin. Luqman's advice. A long time ago, there lived a very wise man. His name was Luqman. He was wise because Allah made him wise. Allah gave him wisdom and asked him to be thankful to the Almighty, saying, "He that gives thanks to Allah has much to gain. But if anyone denies Allah's favors, then Allah is self-sufficient and glorious." One day, Luqman called his son. This is what he said to him: "Don't bow before anybody but Allah. Don't serve anybody but Allah. It is a sin to bow to other things. It is a sin to serve anybody but Allah. Allah hates people who sin." Luqman told his son, "Allah sees everything. He hears everything. He can see even if something is hidden. He can see in the darkness. He can see things as small as a grain of mustard seed. He can see mustard seed even if it is hidden inside a rock. He can see it if it is hidden on earth or in heaven." Luqman advised his son, "Don't forget to pray. Be regular in your prayers. My son, be truthful and honest. Don't do things that are wrong. My son, be patient. Be happy with what Allah gives you. It is our duty to accept what Allah gives us. Do not look down on people. Don't be proud. Don't boast. Allah does not love proud people and people who boast. Be polite. Don't speak loudly. A loud voice is harsh like the braying of a donkey." This is what wise Luqman told his son. He told him how to behave so that Allah would be happy with him. We want Allah to be happy with us. We too must listen to Luqman's advice. Thank you very much.